Welcome to a world where digital art meets blockchain technology. Today we delve into the realm of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Imagine a universe where every digital object is unique, where ownership is not just a concept but a verifiable fact. This is the world of NFTs. So what exactly are these non-fungible tokens? A non-fungible token or NFT is a type of digital asset that represents a wide range of unique tangible and intangible items, from collectible sports cards to virtual real estate and even digital sneakers. One of the main attractions of NFTs is their ability to tokenize items, giving them a specific form of digital originality. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a like-for-like basis, NFTs are unique. Each token has distinguishing information that sets it apart from any other token. It's this information that gives an NFT its value. NFTs have revolutionized the digital art industry, providing a platform where digital artists can sell their work and receive rightful ownership and recognition. In the past, it was difficult for digital artists to monetize their work, but now, with NFTs, they can sell their art directly to consumers without the need for a middleman. The immense popularity of NFTs in recent years can be attributed to various factors. One of the primary reasons is the increasing acceptance and use of blockchain technology. Additionally, the rise of virtual realities and the desire to own unique digital assets have also contributed to the NFT hype. But it's not just about buying a piece of digital art or virtual real estate. NFTs have a broader implication. They allow for the creation of a new type of digital ownership. They have the potential to redefine our understanding of property and ownership in the digital age, opening up new opportunities for creators, collectors, and investors. With a clear understanding of what NFTs are, let's explore how to start your journey as an NFT collector. Why should one consider collecting NFTs? Let's explore the reasons. First and foremost, one of the most compelling reasons to collect NFTs is the sheer novelty of owning unique digital assets. Unlike traditional physical collectibles, NFTs are digital tokens that exist on the blockchain. Each token is unique, cannot be replicated, and is verifiably scarce. This means when you own an NFT, you own a piece of digital property that no one else in the world can claim. Second, collecting NFTs can be a fantastic way to support artists and creators. In the world of NFTs, artists have unprecedented control over their work. They can sell it directly to fans, set their own prices, and even earn royalties every time their work is resold. By collecting NFTs, you're not just buying a piece of art, you're directly contributing to the livelihood of the artist who created it. Thirdly, there's the potential for high returns. NFTs can appreciate in value over time, and some have sold for astronomical sums. Of course, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it's crucial to do your research and understand the market. But for those willing to take the plunge, the potential rewards can be significant. Finally, there's the joy of being part of a new and exciting community. The NFT space is vibrant, dynamic, and constantly evolving. Collecting NFTs allows you to be a part of this wave, to engage with other collectors, artists, and enthusiasts, and to contribute to shaping the future of digital art and culture. In conclusion, whether it's the thrill of owning unique digital assets, the satisfaction of supporting artists, the potential for high returns, or the excitement of being part of a pioneering community, there are plenty of reasons to consider collecting NFTs. Now that we know why NFTs are worth collecting, let's dive into how to start your collection. Starting your NFT collection may seem daunting, but with the right guidance it can be a rewarding journey. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. The first step is setting up a digital wallet. A digital wallet is like your personal bank account on the blockchain, where you'll store your purchased NFTs. There are many options available, so be sure to choose a wallet that is compatible with the NFT marketplace you plan to use. Some popular wallets include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase Wallet. Next, you'll need to buy cryptocurrency. Most NFT transactions are conducted in Ethereum, but others like Binance Coin or Flow are also used depending on the marketplace. To buy cryptocurrency, you can use a crypto exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Once you've purchased your selected cryptocurrency, transfer it to your digital wallet. Remember, transaction fees, also known as gas fees, may apply, so factor these into your budget. Now, it's time to choose an NFT marketplace. Think of this as your art gallery or trading card shop, where you can browse and purchase NFTs. Different marketplaces cater to different types of NFTs and use different currencies. For instance, OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace, accepts Ethereum and offers a wide range of NFTs. Rarible, another popular marketplace, also accepts Ethereum and is known for its user-friendly interface. NBA Top Shot, on the other hand, uses Flow and is specific to NBA collectibles. It's essential to research and understand the marketplace you choose, as each has its own rules and fee structures. Spend some time exploring, observing successful transactions, and understanding the community culture. This will help you make informed decisions when you're ready to jump into the world of NFT collecting. With these initial steps in place, you're ready to make your first NFT purchase. But how do you choose the right NFT? Choosing your first NFT is a crucial step in your collecting journey. Let's discuss some tips to help you make the right choice. As we plunge into the world of NFTs, one of the first things to consider is the artist's reputation. Like traditional art, the value of an NFT often hinges on the popularity and credibility of its creator. Look into the artist's background, their previous works, and how they're perceived in the NFT community. A well-respected artist can be a solid indicator of a worthwhile NFT. Next up, consider the rarity of the NFT. In the NFT space, scarcity can significantly drive up the value. The fewer copies of an NFT there are, the more unique it is, and often the more valuable it becomes. So, it's a good idea to check how many editions or copies of an NFT exist before making a purchase. Price, of course, is another key factor. As with any investment, you'll want to ensure that the price you're paying aligns with your evaluation of the NFT's worth. While some NFTs sell for astronomical sums, there are plenty available at more accessible prices. Don't be swayed by hype alone. Take the time to assess the value proposition and make sure it fits within your budget. Finally, and arguably most importantly, consider your personal interest in the artwork. NFT collecting isn't just about potential returns, it's also about owning a piece of digital art that you genuinely appreciate. So, buy what you love. If the artwork resonates with you, it will hold intrinsic value regardless of market fluctuations. Armed with these tips, you're ready to make your first NFT purchase. But the journey doesn't stop there. After all, the world of NFTs is ever evolving, offering endless opportunities for discovery and growth. So keep learning, stay curious, and enjoy the ride. Once you've started your NFT collection, the next step is to maintain and grow it. Let's discuss how. Now you've dipped your toes into the vibrant world of NFTs and even snagged a few gems for your collection. But the journey doesn't end there. It's crucial to have a strategic approach to maintaining and growing your collection, ensuring it remains valuable and relevant over time. Firstly, diversify your collection. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just as with traditional investing, diversification can be a key strategy in managing the risks associated with NFT collecting. Explore different types of NFTs, art, music, virtual real estate, and more. This approach not only spreads out your risk, but it also broadens your experience and understanding of the NFT marketplace. Next, stay updated on market trends. The NFT market is dynamic and fast-paced, with trends changing rapidly. Make it a habit to regularly check in on marketplaces, follow NFT influencers on social media, and subscribe to newsletters in the space. Being well-informed allows you to spot opportunities and understand the shifting dynamics of the market. Networking with other collectors is also crucial. Engage with communities on platforms like Discord or Twitter, where you can share insights, learn from others' experiences, and even discover new NFTs. Building relationships in these communities can open doors to exclusive NFT drops and collaborations. Finally, consider reinvesting profits back into your collection. If one of your NFTs skyrockets in value and you decide to sell, consider using a portion of your profits to acquire more NFTs. This strategy can help to steadily grow your collection and increase its overall value. In essence, maintaining and growing your NFT collection is an ongoing process that requires strategy, knowledge, and a keen eye for opportunity. It's about more than just buying NFTs. It's about curating a collection that reflects your interests and understanding of the market. With these strategies, you can successfully maintain and grow your NFT collection. But how do you ensure your collection's security? In the world of digital assets, security is paramount. Let's talk about how to ensure the security of your NFT collection. Just like a physical art collection needs to be safeguarded against theft or damage, your NFT collection requires the same level of attention, albeit in the digital space. So, what are some of the ways to protect your precious digital assets? First and foremost, consider the security of your digital wallet. This is your primary access point to your NFTs. Think of it as your personal digital vault. A secure wallet, such as a hardware wallet, can offer an additional layer of security. This type of wallet stores your private keys offline, making it much more difficult for hackers to gain access. Remember, the safety of your wallet is directly proportional to the safety of your NFTs. Next, let's talk about scams. The world of NFTs, like any other digital space, is not immune to fraudulent activities. Be cautious of unsolicited offers and too-good-to-be-true deals. Scammers often use these tactics to lure unsuspecting collectors into parting with their NFTs. Always verify the identity of the other party and the authenticity of the NFT before making a transaction. Lastly, using reputable marketplaces for transactions is vital. These platforms have measures in place to secure transactions and protect both buyers and sellers. They also ensure the authenticity of the NFTs being traded. However, do your due diligence and research each platform's security features and reputation before getting started. Remember, the digital world can be a tricky place, and while NFTs open up a whole new universe of possibilities, they also require you to be vigilant and proactive about your security. After all, you wouldn't leave the door to your house wide open, right? Treat your digital assets with the same care and caution. By taking these security measures, you can protect your valuable NFT collection. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to look at the future of NFT collecting. This is where things get really interesting, where the lines between the digital and physical world blur, and where the possibilities seem endless. One potential area of growth is the merging of NFTs with virtual reality. Imagine owning a unique piece of virtual real estate or a one-of-a-kind digital artifact. These aren't just pixels on a screen, they're assets with potential value and utility. They could be traded, auctioned, or even used within a virtual environment. The future might just see us walking through virtual art galleries, visiting virtual concerts, or even inhabiting virtual worlds, all powered by NFTs. And speaking of concerts, let's talk about music NFTs. As more artists and musicians explore this space, we could see a whole new model for music distribution and ownership. In this future, you might not just listen to a song, you could own a unique version of it, complete with exclusive artwork and extra content. Music NFTs could revolutionize the way we interact with our favorite artists and their work. Then there's the potential for real-world utility. We're already seeing NFTs being used to represent ownership of physical items. But what if an NFT could grant you access to an exclusive event, or offer you VIP perks at your favorite restaurant? The possibilities are truly endless. But with all these exciting developments, it's important to stay grounded. Remember, the world of NFTs is still new and volatile. It's crucial to do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Don't get so caught up in the future that you forget the present. As we step into this exciting future, remember the tips and strategies we've discussed today to make your NFT collecting journey a successful one. Today, we've embarked on a fascinating journey into the world of NFT collecting. A journey that has taken us across the digital landscape, exploring the captivating realm of non-fungible tokens. We've delved into the essence of NFTs, unraveling their unique characteristics and the value they hold in the digital space. We've recognized their potential as a new form of collecting, where each token is one of a kind, holding its own distinctive value and ownership rights, capable of transforming how we perceive art, music, and even real estate. We've navigated the starting point of an NFT collection, emphasizing the importance of research, understanding, and a dash of curiosity. We've underscored the need to understand the blockchain technology, the different types of tokens, and the platforms where they can be bought, sold, and traded. We've also journeyed through the process of choosing the right NFTs, highlighting the importance of authenticity, rarity, and community engagement. We've discussed how to maintain and grow your collection, focusing on diversification, staying updated with market trends, and the significance of being a part of the NFT community. Security, a paramount concern in the digital world, was not left behind. We've examined the best practices to ensure the safety of your collection, emphasizing the need for secure wallets, two-factor authentication, and being vigilant of phishing scams. Peering into the future, we've speculated on the exciting potential of NFT collecting. As the digital world continues to evolve, so too will the landscape of NFTs, promising new opportunities, challenges, and innovations. All these elements come together to form a comprehensive guide for your NFT collecting journey. Remember, it's not just about acquiring digital assets. It's about being a part of a revolution that's redefining the boundaries of ownership, creativity, and community. We hope this guide helps you navigate the exhilarating world of NFT collecting. Until next time, happy collecting!